Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the part 1 of episode 3. This is Yasir, a data analyst and an AI researcher. Today we'll learn on how to select data from multiple tables. So in this part we will learn on how to select data from multiple tables within the from clause, and then we'll learn how to join two tables. So let's start. So we'll be learning our concepts by doing some queries. In this part, we'll be using two tables. One is movie and another one is their director. So in the movie table, you can see the ID, title of the movie, the production year, and the director ID. And in the director table, you can see the ID, the director name, and the birth year of those directors. Just a quick note that in the movie table, there are two primary keys, ID and director ID. And this director ID is being used as a foreign key in the director table, where the ID is also the primary key in this particular table. Now, coming to our first topic, let's answer this question, which is saying to get all the data from two tables, movie and director. So, if we do something like this, select star from movie, comma, director. So, what do you guys think? What will happen? So, let me answer it. Since we didn't join it or didn't specify like where do we want to get the data from, and we're asking to get all the data from both of these tables, what it will do is it will perform cross join. How does it work? So you can pretty much see that there are 8 rows in the movie table and 5 rows in the director table. So in cross join, what it will do is each director will be repeated for each movie, or you can say that each movie will repeat it for each of the directors. So it will be 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So there should be 40 rows of data. Let's run it. Yes, you can pretty much see that all the columns are returned and there are 40 rows. So that's how the cross join is performed. Now, coming to our next topic, which is joins. Before performing this query, let's understand how join works in SQL. Let's consider these two circles as two tables. This one is movie table and this one is director table. And if we want to join it, then we usually refer to inner join. So these are the common between two tables and we want to retrieve that part. That's how the join works. Now coming to our query, it says to join rows from the tables movie and director in such a way that a movie is shown together with its director. Display all columns from both tables. Okay, so how can I do that? We use select all columns from movie and we use the join keyword. Which table we want to join? The director table. We'll use the on keyword to join these two tables. So just a quick note, we usually take the primary key of a table and the foreign key of another table to join. In this case, both these tables are connected using the director ID. You can pretty much see that. Now what we'll do is we'll be referencing the movie dot director ID, which is specifying that the director ID from the movies table, and then the ID from the director table. So you can see that there are 5 directors in the movie table and all the 5 are present in the director table. So it should be retrieving all these rows. So you can see there are 8 rows of data where we can see that it has joined on the director ID and ID. It is same. You can see that. And we can pretty much tell that Midnight in Paris, which is produced in 2011, was produced by Woody Allen, who has born in 1935. So that's how we use joints. So thank you for your time. And if you like this video, please subscribe and comment if you have any queries. And see you on the next episode.